Hello everyone, this is Mansi from evidyarthi.in coming to question number 2, exercise 6.2. So in this question we have write a Pythagoras triplet whose one member is 6. So आपको यहाँ पे Pythagoras triplet लिखना है. अब Pythagoras triplet के अंदर 3 numbers होते हैं and the numbers are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. सो ये 3 नंबर्स होते हैं पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट में. अब उसमें से आपको एक नंबर गिवन है विच इज 6, राइट. सो वी कैन से लेट्स सपोज द फर्स्ट नंबर है 2m, वो 6 है. सो 2m इक्वल्स टू 6, देन m विल बी इक्वल टू 6 एंड यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, राइट. सो m इक्वल्स टू 3. अब m हमारे पास आ गया 3. फर्स्ट नंबर में पता चल गया 6 है, राइट. सेकंड m स्क्वायर माइनस 1, सो मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड m स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो m स्क्वायर विल बी 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 1, राइट. सो 3 स्क्वायर इज 3 3s are 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So this means the second number is 8. And now the third number will be m square plus 1, which will be again 3 square plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Right? So means the third number is 10. So जो Pythagoras triplet हमसे पूछा था that is 6, 8 and 10. So this was the first part. Now let's come to the next part. Now the second part is 14. So let's take it as the first number. So 2m equals to 14. Now m is equals to 14 upon 2, which is m equals to 7. So अब हमारे पास m की वैल्यू आ गई 7. So let's put it in the next number, which is m square minus 1. So m square means 7 square minus 1. 7 square is 49 minus 1. 49 minus 1 is 48. So this means the second number here is 48. Now moving to the third number, which is m square plus 1. So m square is 7 square plus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 1, which is 50. So this means the third number is 50. और जो हमसे Pythagoras triplet पूछा है that is 14, 48 and 50. So this was the second part. Now let's come to the next part. Now the third part is 16. So let's take 2m equals to 16, right? So this will be m equals to 16 upon 2, means m equals to 8. So हमारे पास m की वैल्यू आ गई. फर्स्ट नंबर हमने 16 लिए. सेकेंड नंबर विल बी m स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो m की जगह 8 आएगा. 8 स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो 8 8s are 64 minus 1. So this will be 63. So the second number is 63. Now third number is m square plus 1. So m is 8 square plus 1. 64 plus 1 is 65. So the third number is 65. Now the Pythagoras triplet we have is 16, 63 and 65. So this was part number 3. Now let's come to the next part. Now the fourth part is 18. So 2m equals to 18. m equals to 18 upon 2, which will be m equals to 9. So m की वैल्यू आ गई 9. The first number is 18. Let's find the next number. m square minus 1. So m is 9, means 9 square minus 1. So 9 square is 81 minus 1 will be 80, right? So the second number is 80. Moving to the third number, which is m square plus 1. So m square is 9 square plus 1. 9 square is 81 plus 1 which is 82. ठीक है? So next number हो गया 82. Now the Pythagoras triplet we have is 18, 80 and 82. So this was the last part of this question and this was question number 2 from exercise 6.2. Now let's come to the next exercise.